Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today, we're gonna go ahead and open up another box that we just received from N-Fab. We're gonna get some side steps installed. I'll put a picture of the ad that we bought them from so you guys can see the info if you're interested in doing this. I liked what I saw on their website and some of the videos of the install. It looks like they've really taken the time to make a good product and at least provide enough info that shows that the install is relatively simple. So in most cases, I think it's set up so you can get that installed pretty easily. In some cases, simply with a wrench. So I'm not sure what ours includes, what kind of modifications, if any, we're gonna have to make, but we're gonna get them opened up, look at the product, and then if you guys wanna check out the next video, watch us put them on. All right, this stuff looks pretty nice. I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's just one solid piece. And I think that it set it up so that these brackets line up with the existing holes in whatever model vehicle you're putting them on. So we will see what happens. I like it. I went with the textured flat black. And as you guys recall, we spray on bed liner coated those fender trim, so that'll look good on here. Match up there pretty good. Let's get the other one out. Here is the passenger side. Looks nice. I like it. Let's go get them put on. This little bag of hardware is all that comes with it, and inside it there is a little insert here. It says if you want help with assistance, you can download from their website based on the parts search, and you can download by the vehicle search. So you go to their website, type in the year, make, and model, and they'll probably have an instructional video for you to follow along with if you have any questions. So it does have some information for you how to file for your warranty so you can keep it on file. And that's that. Let's go do it. All right, so here is a look at the hardware, a bunch of bolts and stuff. As you guys can see, my van already has some holes. That one was already here and that bolt fits in it. This one looked like it was done some time ago, but not factory, and it did not fit the bolt. So I'm having to drill out that hole so that we'll have a hole to put that bolt in. It was a hole, but it was a small hole. And this one back here, there is no hole along this. So once I have those two installed, I'll get behind here, find where that lines up and drill that hole out, and then they'll have them mounted up. It's a pretty easy process. It's not a bunch of brackets because it's all one solid welded piece. So all right, so we drilled out that hole, and we'll get the nut and washer put on that, crank it down. It's a 9/16. You can just see we got those bolts just sitting in there for right now to hold it. But I like how it's looking. Let's get this cranked down. All right, everybody. There it is. I really like the quality of these so far. My setup did require that I drill a hole back there, and then I had to make that one a bigger hole. So, but still very easy. A lot of the universal setups, you have to mess with a bunch of adjustments with brackets and whatnot. I like this, it's just one solid piece. You guys can see that all the way down. And then underneath it, so you can see that one and that bracket there. And then there's one all the way down there, same thing. That's the one I had to drill. But nice sturdy setup. I really like it. All right, so we're on to the passenger side, and one of the issues we've run into is that none of the holes on the Nerf bar on this side line up with any of the existing holes that are currently in there. So I'm having to drill all 3 of these new holes. The other interesting thing is, if you bought one of these kits, it comes with the bolts, washers, nuts, and the bolts are kind of a carriage bolt, and they're set up to go into that hole, and that slot will lock that bolt in, and it will help hold it while you tighten it down, which is nice. The interesting thing is there aren't any instructions for it. I've tried looking them up, but they give you a whole bunch of extras, and I'm not sure if it's intentional because of different vehicles requiring more, but there's only holes for 3 of them on this side, and there was only holes for, I think, 2 of them on the other side, so 5 total, and there's 5 extras. So I don't know if they're anticipating that you may have to drill even more holes, maybe in the tops of these to set 2 of them. I don't know, but just so you know, don't freak out if you have a whole bunch of extra ones, because I have read some forums where the guys said they mounted them up just with the bolts that it came with for the 3 holes, and it's held up fine. So anyway, we are gonna have to get this Nerf bar up in place. I'm gonna use some little clamps to help hold it in place. Unless you have an extra set of hands to help you hold it up, that would be helpful. Doing a one-man job, it does get a little tricky. So I'm gonna maybe try and use those clamps to hold it in place while I mark those holes and drill them, and then we'll get it mounted up. For reference, I went and picked up a set of these step drill bits. I'm gonna try one of these so I don't have to keep switching out drill bits, because it is easier if you start with a smaller size and then drill with the bigger size second. But I've never used one. I'm gonna go ahead and try it, see if this works out okay. All right, so I've used those clamps to help kind of hold it in place. I'm gonna show you from underneath it what it looks like, in case you guys are trying to do this as well. All right, so underneath it, you can see we've got this clamp holding it down right here, and I'm gonna hold it in place so I can get a good mark on there. I'm gonna drill through that and get that bolt set. And then also under here, you can see this other clamp right here, and just pinching it to that pinch weld right there. We'll get under here and drill it out and put a bolt through it. It's actually still pretty simple. It would have been super easy if there were pre-existing bolt holes. As I understand it, a lot of these kits do have the things set up to where they'll actually go through bolt holes that are already there from like previous running boards and whatnot. So I still really like these N-Fab Nerf bars, so we're gonna get at it. Those went in pretty good. I like that drill bit. All right, we were able to get this side done with a little bit of drilling. It's on there, it's nice and sturdy, and looks good. I like it. I'm gonna go show you this side. Turned out good. Pretty happy with it. All right, guys, that was it. Just a quick install. These Nerf bars are good. They're from N-Fab. Typically, I think you'll be able to do the install with just a wrench. In some cases, they do warn that you may have to do some drilling. In this case, I had to drill out a new hole on this side. 2 of them fit. And then on the other side, I had to drill out all 3 holes. So, but we were able to do it. It's not that hard. Just if you're doing it alone, get yourself some clamps so you can kind of hold it in place. It's really hard to deal with if you don't have somebody else helping you. You got to have it steady so that you can get those holes marked right and get everything taken care of and tightened up. So anyway, that's it for today. We'll move on to another project. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions on the Nerf bars, I'll put some pictures of it in the video here. But if you have any questions on the install, Nerf bars, whatever, 9/16 wrench should be able to do the job. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.